Hello, now that we come to the conclusion. Though conclusion is the last part of essay, however, we'll teach it before body's second part to complete our backbone structure. This is to correct many people's misunderstanding or misconcept about conclusion. Also, conclusion is very much more important than just a simple wrapping up approach, like many people think for the essay. Why should we restate the ideas? In other words, because it says to restate, not repeat the exact words of your ideas. To reinforce your claim ideas in new perspectives or new angles, which will broaden and deepen your opinions. This will bring them into a powerful closure for your essay. For summary, it does subtract or combine ideas and make it short. But it doesn't have to sum up exact numbers of ideas, which yet we must, to restate the conclusion. Nothing more and nothing less. Neither it's a pure summary, which is just shortened, but normally repeat the words of your ideas. Again, first thing first, what to conclude and how many ideas will be included. Of course, the key things, those you have been working so hard, debating to validate your opinion, the authority of your claim. It is the heart and soul of the essay, which is thesis statement. Our backbone structure is just exactly made of these four idea statements. Totally, there are four concept ideas, or rather say, four statements to conclude. You just need to choose these four keywords very carefully, and everything you do starts from here. Is that handy? Interesting, the most official way to write happens to be the easiest way, my dear friends. Let's see how it works. The thesis statement's ideas are repeatedly used in each essay part that takes 25% each. Maybe subject claim or subtopics for topic sentence in the body, and both again will be concluded in a conclusion. Totally, there are four concept ideas, or rather say, four statements to conclude. You just need to choose these four keywords very carefully. Interesting, the most official way to write happens to be the easiest way, my dear friends. Well, how to restate these four key ideas without repeating the same words? Now we have known that restatement is not any summary. Restatement means to put them in other words without missing any point or idea. Now you know to differentiate or distinguish among summary, restatement, and paraphrasing. Then you are doing better than majority who are roughly wrapping up conclusion without knowledge and skills. To reinforce your claim ideas in new perspectives or new angles, which will broaden and deepen your opinions. This will bring them into a powerful closure for your essay. Here we have tips. 1. Without changing sentence structures. 2. Without repeating same keywords. You just simply replace the keywords inside the sentences. This is for the beginners. The second way is to paraphrase these 4 statement sentences. This is for advanced students. We will teach you paraphrasing skills next.